Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I am one of those people who never misses my nighttime skincare routine. And a very important step for me lately has been this TULA Recharge and Replenish Overnight Complex Eye Cream. This TULA eye cream is exactly what I need during this harsh, cold winter season when the skin around my eyes can be kind of irritated and dried out. It has a really pleasantly rich, full texture that just glides like butter over the skin on my eyes. I think that the way that this eye cream dispenses is really unique. It kind of has this big button that I press on. It kind of reduces the air exposure that the eye cream gets, and I think that it probably preserves the product. Since using this eye cream, I have noticed a definite increase in the comfort level and the hydration level of the skin around my eyes. And using this overnight really helps to back up and fortify my daytime eye cream too. Sometimes I even get up in the morning and my eyes feel so hydrated that I don't even bother with my morning skincare routine. If you're like me and you've been noticing that the delicate skin around your eyes needs a little bit of extra support, well, I would definitely recommend this TULA Overnight Eye Cream. And that's my point of view.